Hi, I'm here with Father Andrews in Sulphur, Louisiana. And Father, tell us a little bit about what you're seeing here and what you've experienced in your church, your mission.
Yeah, we are here in Our Lady of Lazarus Church, and this is, people say, the other side of the track, which means more depressed area, poorest in Sulphur. And I was so amazed, and I am so glad that the Lighthouse and the Knights of Mary Queen chose this place to serve the people of this poorest place in Sulphur. In fact, the hurricane hit Cameroon heavily, and also Calcasieu counties, and we are in the midst of this devastation. Many people lost everything, and everybody lost many things, and including us. Our rectory, where the priests are staying, are heavily damaged. The roof went off a portion of the rectory, and the church is not so much damaged by the grace of God. And here it is a place, we believe, protected by Blessed Mother, Mother of Jesus, and we made a shrine there, and all the statues of Blessed Mother standing without any trouble. And in the midst of all the trees falling down, all her statues are there in the 15 feet high on the hill. And she protected us, we believe, and it was a great light you brought into this place of, they call it favorably, Poche Town. Poche Town has a connotation that people who are really in need of so many things to survive their daily life. So I'm just wondering and being amazed with this Lighthouse charity team work together with the Knights of Columbus of Mary Queen Church in Friendswood, and it is an amazing experience to me. I never felt something like this. The charity of the people and their mercy, it's combined together. And you are doing, maybe you made this place as the melting point of acts of charity and works of mercy together. And I would say this is the place in town in Sulphur we have that melting point. Amazingly, you distributed 6,000 food packages within 6 days, every day, coming back and forth, going to Houston and coming back here and serving lunch and supper, 500 lunches and 500 suppers every day, 1,000 meals. It's amazing. People, even if they go to other churches, they have plenty of food everywhere, but mostly jambalaya. But you, 12 meals, you had separate menus of American dishes. And people come back and they were amazed with the taste and the quality of these food packages. And also the Mary Queen Church, they brought amazingly wonderful load of things. People were so glad and comforted and consoled with getting all this stuff. And it is a learning experience for me personally. At the same time, the people of this parish, how can we be charitable and loving and taking care of each other? After all, in our life, what matters is the last question God will ask us, did you take care? And the Lighthouse people and the Knights of Mary Queen really took care of us. And that is the gospel, and that is the message Jesus is asking us to live out. And you live out good, very well. And I thank you. And I am indebted to you lifetime, and all the people of this Our Lady of Lazarus Church, and also all the people in this area. They are indebted lifetime to you, Lighthouse charity team, and also Knights of Mary Queen. and the food went all over from Winton to Hinder. That is around 100 miles. People came here, 50 miles, 100 miles away. They came here to get this food. It tells that you really serve and took care of us this 1 week time after the Hurricane Laura. And I don't know, I have no more words to say, express my gratitude towards you all, especially the Lighthouse Charity team of Friendswood and Galveston, Houston.
Thank you so much, Father. It has been our absolute pleasure to be here. That is our mission. In fact, we've got Gordon Morris here, and Gordon and his wife Mary have been longtime sponsors and members of the Lighthouse Charity team. And I think you guys got here and you've been staying for several days. You brought a trailer with you, not trailer, but a beautiful RV to stay so that you could monitor the comings and goings. And we're standing under this amazing pavilion that actually everything around you is destruction, and this is not. That's amazing. So, Gordon, do you want to say anything?
You know, as I've told a few people, and they are very grateful. And I've told them, you know, we understand them because we are all coastal dwellers ourselves, being from Galveston, and we know what it means to go through a hurricane. And we know the mental, the emotional, and the physical strains that it puts on you. So if there's one little thing we could do for them to make their life just a little bit easier, that was our mission. And if it's feeding their hearts, putting food in their stomach that feeds their hearts and their minds, then that's what we're here for. And there's wonderful people like Father Andrew here, you know, just a blessed man to be around, always positive, you know, through the face of all this adversity, so positive. And so we're honored to be here. You know, one day, it has been us before. During Hurricane Harvey, it was these people that came with their boats and everything else and saved so many people, you know. So we're all brothers and sisters in these tragedies. So we're going to help each other out no matter what happens.
And truly, I mean, as you guys are talking, I've got, you know, just a really warm feeling because it is, if you have never volunteered to help others, this is what it's about. And you can see people behind here that are getting food. You can see the Father who's given such an eloquent message. People like Gordon and his wife Mary, who have absolutely done their part with Lighthouse for many. Yes, and it is the whole team. No, it is the whole team.
People that have been leaving Galveston
Absolutely.
at 6 o'clock in the morning and don't get home until midnight, 1 o'clock.
That's
you know,
right.
Going back and forth. They're cooking in our Galveston facility, and it's all kind of mostly prepared. It comes here and we finish it here.
There you go.
Feed these people behind.
And it is amazing that God protects us and provides us, and He took care of our life. Most valuable is our life. And for example, in this rectory, there's a priest, Father Lawrence Kohler, 86 years old. He cannot move. So he said, you go ahead, you evacuate, I will stay at home. And he stayed at home throughout the hurricane. And when I came and I asked, were you not worried about? No, I'm not worried about my life. My life is in the hands of God. He is fully alive. And now he is asking me, I told him, hey, today is the last day. The Lighthouse and the Knights are providing food. And he asked me, what about tomorrow? Who will give us food? Oh, you told me that you trust in God. God will provide us. And so amazing. And I also would like to thank the Samaritan ministry of this parish. They got a first-hand experience of sharing their time, talent, and resources in collaboration with the Lighthouse Charity and also Knights of Mary Queen.
Thank you guys
you
very
very
much. It's been our pleasure to be here. Thank you.